Hello friends, I'm Esan from Bangalore Property. If you are looking for a house very close to metro station, then we have this Comfy Home number 120, very close to existing metro station of Kanakapura Road. From Kanakapura main road itself, it is just 1.2 kilometers inside walkable distance. Doddakallasandra metro station is 3 kilometers away and Vajarahalli metro station is just 2 kilometers away. Brand new north facing 20 by 30 BDA allotted site in Banashankari 6 stage. 3 BHK Triplex house with premium specifications. North facing site. Modern elevation with stone cladding work. So completely closed gate. This is the main larger gate for the parking. Side gate is also there. Easily 2 cars and multiple 2-wheelers can be parked in the parking. There is also one common toilet. So here a common toilet is there, bathroom. South side setback space is given. LPG gas pipeline is there from the parking to the kitchen above. 3 feet wall skirting is given, wall tiles. 10,000 liters sump capacity, 1,000 liters overhead tank capacity, own borewell is there. Cauvery water line is also available, meter needs to be taken. First, second, third floor, Triplex 3 BHK with 4 bathrooms, 2,500 square feet of super built up area. North facing BDA allotted A Khata site with east facing main door. Outside steps you can see the granite flooring, light and dark color. All teak wood doors and windows. Final painting, final polishing is yet to be done. All the bathroom fittings will be provided. So light grey color granite has been used inside. Living room with TV unit. Veneer has been used with polish. Wooden paneling work. Ceiling also wooden and POP has been used. Central staircase. So this floor you have living, dining, kitchen, Pooja room, utility and 1 common bathroom. Above second floor study room, 2 bedroom, 2 attached bathrooms with balcony. Third floor 1 more bedroom with attached bathroom and party hall. Single family home. Semi-furnished. False ceiling with LED lighting provided. This is the Pooja room, west facing with teak wood door. Modern designer door. Fully modular kitchen with acrylic laminates, quartz platform. Tandem boxes, baskets, all soft closing. And this is the dining area with crockery cabinet. Mirror is also there. Countertop hand wash basin will be provided here. So even crockery unit has granite platform. This is the utility area with a common toilet. As I mentioned, Jacquard brand bathroom fittings will be provided. GM brand switches, Phenolix brand wiring, all teak wood door frames. For bathroom, waterproof WPC material has been used for the door. So this is the common toilet. Western toilet will be provided. Stainless steel railing is given for the staircase. Now we'll see the second floor. Second floor, you have a study area in the center with study table and a bookshelf, 2 bedroom, 2 attached bathrooms and balcony. This is the master bedroom in the Kuber Mole, and southwest corner is projected outside. Concealed wardrobes are given. TV unit, separate dressing area and attached bathroom. This is the second bedroom, wardrobe and attached bathroom. Right in the northeast corner, balcony is there. Dressing mirror will be given. And this is the third floor. Third floor, you have one more master bedroom in the southwest corner with attached bathroom. This is towards the terrace area. You have a heavy metal door. Party area with anti-skid flooring, RCC roof on top. Laundry provision here, washing machine. Further above, you have a proper open terrace area with this proper staircase with granite flooring and stainless steel railing. 2500 square feet of super built up area. BDA allotted 2030 north facing site. Comfy home number 120. Multiple options are available with us for sale in Banashankari 6 stage. If you plan a site visit, many options can be shown as per your requirement. Multi-unit, duplex, 2030, 3040 odd dimension sites. Please read the description for complete details. Call the given number for site visit. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.